Hey guys, today's video I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the things that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video, and it is a haul from Dollar Tree. And I was super excited for this haul because I've been seeing people haul so many new things at Dollar Tree, and a lot of times I can't find the things that people haul because I know they go so fast. And I was able to find the things that I wanted, plus much more. Guys, Dollar Tree has so many great items right now. And I can't take pictures of it all because, like I said, when I go in there, I try to get in and out real quick. So I'm sorry that I can't take pictures of everything that I found that I didn't buy, that I used to do for you guys. But guys, definitely, if you have a chance with your mask and being safe, go check out Dollar Tree because they have so many great items. Now, I'm going to share with you guys a little bit of the fall items that I have. I didn't buy too many things because I've seen that they have like a lot of repeat items. And so I don't have a lot of new things that I bought. And some of the stuff that they brought in, I kind of don't like. Like they have like lime green type of things, and it wasn't my style, so I just didn't get them. So I did pick up a couple things, well actually just two things that one is from Dollar Tree, one is from Family Dollar, and so I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys right now. So the first thing I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, I kind of talked to you guys about it in my last haul, and it's these little fall signs, and I shared with you guys the one that I got last time. This one says Harvest Blessing, and I didn't pick it up last time because I told you guys about it, that I thought that it was great because it has that wood grain. And let me take the plastic off so I can kind of show you a little bit more. Like on the plastic, sometimes the lights hit it and you can't really see how great it is. But I shared with you guys the other sign that I picked up because they do have new signs this year. And I shared with you guys all the other ones that they had and the ones I didn't pick up. Try not to break this. I shared with you guys in my last Dollar Tree haul the one I picked up, and I told you guys about this one because it had this nice little wood grain right here that I think is so nice that a lot of people love this wood grain, and I feel like you can do so many DIYs with this. You don't necessarily just have to have it for the sign. If you like the sign, it's a perfect little cute sign. But I didn't pick it up at first because I didn't have no use for it until I saw Cheek on the Sheep and Chic on the Cheap, and she did a DIY where she kind of did like she was doing some Kirkland dupes, and she was doing like a stand, and so she had some things that need to stand on here, and she it was a wood piece that was in the Kirkland's dupe, and so she used this and painted it brown on top, and it looked like a wood piece, so she kind of used this for the dupe. So I thought that was amazing. And I don't have an idea yet of what I'm going to make with this, but I know I always make something that needs like a wood grain stain, so I figured just pick it up and I have it on hand, and I just think it's perfect. Plus you can always use the inside of these. If you guys haven't seen, I'll be sharing with you guys my DIYs I did last year. I made basically a K-cup organizer with these little containers, the little checkerboard, the checkerboard one that I made. It's like basically I made a coffee bar in my kitchen, and I made my K-cup organizers. This fits the K-cups perfectly with these little things. So you can do so many DIYs with these little signs, and they don't only have to be signs. So definitely, if you are a crafter or stuff like that, this is an amazing buy. So I picked it up. And if you guys see my hand is black, I'm sorry. I dyed my hair last night, and so I guess the glove was broken. So I have like a little black dye on me. So if you see my finger that's black, it's not that I bruised myself. It's just, I have dye on it. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a lot of things on here, so you guys are gonna see my black finger. So I just kind of wanted to tell you guys that. But anyways, back to the haul. There's one thing that I found at Family Dollar that I wanted to share with you guys. And it was for $5, and normally I wouldn't pick this up. I would make my thing my own, from Dollar Tree items, but I figured to make this from Dollar Tree items I would spend $5 anyway, and so I like this one. I shared last year with you guys, I bought a Christmas one like this, and it had like the Christmas design on the back, and I love this one. It says Fall in Love, and I just love the little like flowers that there was on here. This is a sticker, so if you wanted to, you can actually take this sticker off and like decorate it and design it any way you want. But I kind of actually like the flowers because I have flowers like this from last year, and I figured this would be perfect to decorate in my kitchen. So I kind of like it as is, but like I said, you can DIY it, but I think it's really good. And most of the time when I DIY things, I'm buying stuff and I spend $5 anyway, so I just, you know, picked this up for $5 and decided just to get this instead of DIYing it. It's already done the way I want it. Another thing that I got that is kind of like a repeat buy that I always have to pick up is the Tumbling Tower Jenga pieces, the Dollar Tree version of their Jenga blocks. I definitely had to pick these up because normally they don't have the ones, like it's kind of hard to find the ones that have all one color like this. Sometimes you'll find the ones that they have all the, like the brown and then this color. And I don't like those because they are painted, sometimes it's hard to paint on top of them. So I kind of like to get the unfinished wood ones like this. And so that's why I pick them up. Every time I see them, I pick them up, and my Dollar Tree had a whole box of them. I feel like I went to my Dollar Tree at a perfect time because everything was stocked in this Dollar Tree. I found things that I would never find before. So this was fully stocked, so I always pick up 2 when I see them because, again, for DIYs. And then Dollar Tree has been killing it in the makeup department lately. They've been having so many hard candy, the hard candy brand makeup there, which if you guys go to the regular stores, hard candy can go anywhere from like $5 to $20 depending on what you're buying. And hard candy is a brand that I do like. I've been trying their products lately, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys in a video soon like the stuff that I found at Dollar Tree that are makeup wise that I love. And hard candy is one of those things. And then also e.l.f. products is one of those things, especially e.l.f. products, the black e.l.f. products. Because e.l.f. has products that are $1, you know, at any other stores, but they're normally the white products. And if you ever see the e.l.f. products that are like the black brushes or the black kind of like material, you know, the black packaging, they start off at $6. So whenever I see those at Dollar Tree, I definitely stock up on them. So I didn't find any hard candy this time that I didn't buy the last Dollar Tree. I'll share with you guys all the hard candy ones that I found that I liked in my last haul, but this time I stocked up on e.l.f. and Wet n Wild. So they had this e.l.f. color corrector, color correcting stick for is like a green stick, and it corrects like if you have any redness. So I love this. I've used different types of brands of this color correcting green stick before because I do get a lot of redness, especially like around my nose and right here and stuff. So I have used green color correcting sticks before, but I haven't used the e.l.f. one. But I love e.l.f. and it's a product, you know, it's a brand that I swear by because when I buy this stuff, I like it. So when I saw that they had the correcting stick in the green one for $1 at Dollar Tree, I definitely picked it up. And then they also had a bunch of new e.l.f. brushes that were, like I said, the black set. Now, like I said, you normally see the white brushes at Dollar Tree all the time of e.l.f. because the white ones are always $1 even in the regular stores. But to find the black ones, they're normally $6 to $10. So this one I got is a powder brush, which I have already in my makeup case already. But I love it, so I like to buy extra ones because this is like one of my favorite brushes. It's so soft. Actually, this one's a different one. Actually, no, this one's a different powder brush. This one actually is kind of like, has a flat. So this is a new one. So I thought this was the one that I had already, and I always like to buy extras of those. But this one is new to me, but I like it. It has like, it's a flat edge, so I can definitely use it for something. And whenever you can get like an e.l.f., one of these e.l.f. Black brushes for $1, definitely pick them up because they are amazing. Definitely pick those up. They're amazing. And then another one that they had was the sculpting face brush, which I love these. I love using these types of sculpting face brushes for when I'm doing like contouring. And so they're like, what I liked about this one was this one is a really small size. So this one is smaller. I have a couple of sculpting brushes, but they're kind of thick on this part right here. They're normally like really thick on this area. So this one I found is like a little smaller. I do see that this has like a little indention in it. But I think that this brush was the only one that came like that. I think most of the ones I saw in the packaging, they had like a straight edge. So maybe this one just came like that, or they all come like that. But I mean, I'm still going to use it anyway. I love the fact that it's a smaller one because you can be more precise whenever you're doing like your contouring right here, and you don't want to have like a bunch of contour, like a bunch of darkness right here, and you want to be more precise, especially like on your nose. I love it. So that one was a good find. And then another one I found, this one is the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare stippling brush. And you can never have enough stippling brushes. Stippling brushes, you can use them for many things. You can use them for like the wet foundation, you can use them for your powder foundation. I found that you can use the stippling brushes for a lot of different things. And the thing that I found from Wet n Wild that I'm going to share with you guys, I'm going to use a stippling brush for. So the stippling brush looks like this. And I just think it's so cute. And what I love about this one is it's so small. It's great for traveling. So anytime when we can travel again, because like a lot of people are not traveling now, but when you can travel again, this is perfect for your traveling brushes. So you're not bringing all these big brushes. This is perfect for traveling. Another thing that I got from Wet n Wild, they always have this, but I love getting my black eyeliner. So they had this one, so I just picked it up. I love using Wet n Wild and e.l.f. for my black eyeliner to do my tight line. And then another thing that I've bought before and I love from Wet n Wild is their mascara. I always love the different mascaras that they have, especially these, because these are good for like the lower lash line, because a lot of times these have like a little, the little bristle brushes, so you can get the little lower lash line better. So I like that. And then the one thing that I was super excited to find, because I saw so many people hauling it on Facebook, on the Facebook Dollar Tree. Facebook has a lot of Dollar Tree haul Facebook pages that I follow, and so many people have been hauling this, and I didn't think I was going to find it. And guys, I found it. They had the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation, and I stocked up on it, guys. This foundation can go for $10 in the store, and I know because I bought it for my daughter before. And to find it for $1, and they had so many different they had 5 different shades. I picked up 4 because the one that they had that was called Tawny, it was a little bit too orange. I bought that for my daughter before, and it was a little bit too orange for her. So I knew that that wasn't a color that I would use or my daughters would use. So the ones I did pick up was Honey Beige. This is the Honey Beige one. First, it looks like this. And this one is in Honey Beige. And then I picked up the Nude Beige one. So it looks like this. And then this is the Nude Beige. And then this one is Buff Beige, which is this color. And that's the number that it is. And then I also picked up the Natural Beige, which is this color. And then this is the number. So all these were for $1, and they had them all stocked up, and I didn't know what color me and my daughters would be, so that's why I got all 4 of these shades, so I can figure out what colors we are, because things tend to change, especially since we haven't been outside in a long time. So I tend to get lighter because I haven't been outside in a long time. So I don't know what color I'm gonna be, and definitely I don't know what color my daughter's gonna be. So this is perfect that I was able to get all 4 shades for $1 each, and then hopefully I'm gonna try them out tonight to see what color I want, so that I can go back to the store. And when I find out my color tonight, I can go back to the store and stock up on them, because this for $1 is a great buy. So I racked up on the beauty stuff in this Dollar Tree trip. Another thing that I was super excited to find that I've seen so many people haul were these little, like, I think they're just called decor, but I think they're like these little makeup, I think they're great for makeup brushes. I'm gonna just call them like little makeup brush cups. And they're like, they have like these little eyelashes, well, not even eyelashes, like these little eyes on them, and lips. And I just think they're like the perfect thing to have for your makeup brushes. Like, I love them. These are so cute. As soon as I saw people posting them online, I was like, I definitely want these for my makeup brushes. So I just think that they'll fit, just fit perfectly in the makeup brushes. This one's a little bit smaller, like I said, it's like better for travel, but like especially for like the bigger ones, look at that, it's just so perfect for makeup brushes. And I feel like I got 2 of them, and I feel like for these, like, because I have so many makeup brushes, I'll use these 2 for like the ones I use every day. So like there's some brushes that I know I use every day, and so I want to have them separate from all the other ones so I can easily find them. So I think on my vanity I'm going to have these 2 sitting up, and then I'll just have them all my makeup brushes that I use every day in these. And I just, oh my god, these are just so adorable, guys. Like, look how cute these are. These are just so adorable. I was so happy to find them. So of course Dollar Tree has some of their school supply stuff out, a lot of their school supply stuff out, and really I haven't been buying too many school supplies because I don't know what my kids need right now, because we're all starting everything online. In our area they're starting the first 3 weeks online. So, and then they said they're going to supply the school supplies, so we really don't need much. But my daughter saw some things that she wanted. So they have these cute little pencil pouches, so she wanted to get this little pencil pouch. They had a bunch of different ones, but she wanted to get this one so that, sorry, my card got full. I really need to start checking the card on my camera before I hit record. But anyways, she got this one because she wants to keep all her pencils and stuff organized while we do, the at-home school school learnings. And then she also picked up this this pencil sharpener, which I thought was so cute because it comes with like a little erasers inside it. And you know the kids have always, when they have their own like pencils, they use up the eraser that comes with the pencil up like so easily. So the fact that this one comes with like little erasers in it, I like it. And then she picked up some mechanical pencils because my girls are so in love with like mechanical pencils, and I think all kids are. And these are really cute. They're like the pastel colors, so I like these. So she picked those up for her like at home learning for right now. And then, you know, I'm a sucker for notepads. And Dollar Tree always has the cutest notepads. And so I saw this one, which I thought was so cute, and she wanted it. It says backpack, lunchbox with like check marks on it, and then like where you can make lists on it. And so they had this one, which was pink, but then they also had some other color ones as well. And my daughter wanted to get this because she's just like her mama. If we don't write it down, we're gonna forget it. So anything I could do to help her to remember things is perfect. And she says she wants this, and she's going to use it to remember things whenever we do go back to school and she has to remember her backpack and her lunchbox and her homework. This will come in handy. So the last couple things I'm going to share with you is stuff that I found in the houseware section. And the very last one I want to share with you is I'm super excited about. It's my favorite thing out of everything because I didn't think I was going to find it in my store, and I found it. But before I show you that one, I'm going to show you this placemat that I saw. This one said Home Sweet Home. You guys know I'm a sucker for placemats. Because I feel like I don't ever use them for placemats, but I feel like they're always great to do DIY with. And I like this one because it has like this navy blue kind of wood grain feel to it. And normally when I decorate my home downstairs, I have like navy blues in it as it is like everyday decor. If I don't have a holiday or anything, I always have like the navy blue. And so I found this one and I thought it was so good that I could do like a DIY for. So stay tuned. I will have a DIY in mind that I'm going to use this placemat for to make a home decor piece for my living room. And the last thing I'm going to share with you guys, like I said, is I'm super excited to find that everybody's been hauling this before, but I never thought I was going to find it in my store, guys. And it's the self-adhesive wall tiles, and I found the white one, guys. When I saw people hauling this, and I saw people, you know, showing that they had it on Dollar Tree online, which a lot of people were buying it on Dollar Tree online because they knew they weren't going to be able to find them in their stores because this is going to be very popular. But if you buy this on DollarTree.com, you have to buy at least 50. And I know I wasn't going to use 50. I know a lot of people was going to use them to like redo your home, which you can. But I know I wasn't going to use 50, so I was hoping to find this in my store, and I did. And I found and I picked up 10 of these. These are the self-adhesive wall tiles. And you guys know that anytime someone does something with farmhouse, they like the white tiles. So I've been wanting this for a while to basically create backdrops for my photos of my DIYs that I share with you guys. Whenever I do a DIY or whenever I share with you guys a decor piece, I kind of want to use some type of backdrop that sometimes, like my wall, this plain wall just kind of doesn't pick up the light well and doesn't pick up the DIYs very well. And so I wanted to create a backdrop, kind of like a farmhouse style backdrop, so I knew this would be perfect for it. So stay tuned. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make some backdrops for Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree products or craft products, DIY products, food. If you do a food blog and you need some backdrops, I'm going to share with you guys how you can create some inexpensive backdrops with just Dollar Tree items. And I'm going to use this one. Like I said, I picked up 10 of them. And then the other one I picked up was this wood one, which I think this one is amazing as well. They had the white one, they had the brown tile, which I was kind of tempted to buy because I was like, if I couldn't find the white, I was going to buy the brown one and just paint them white. They always have that one, and they had another one that is, it's kind of like all different types of colors tiles. But I like this one because I feel like this one is so farmhouse as well. I know that, let me get this for you guys. There you go. This one is farmhouse as well. And I don't normally go for the wood grain look like this, but I know that sometimes if I do DIYs and they're white, if I put them on the white tile, they're just going to blend it with the white tile and it won't show up. So for the DIYs that I do that are like all white or like a light color, I want to use this as a backdrop. So I'm going to be using this one. I picked up 10 of those. So like I said, stay tuned. I'm going to share with you guys how you can make some inexpensive backdrops with Dollar Tree items for, like I said, for your food blog, for your craft blog or YouTube or anything that you're trying to share where you're taking photography and you need a backdrop. I'm going to share with you guys some inexpensive ways how to make some with Dollar Tree items. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below any new things that you guys are finding that are different and new in your stores, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.